smiles and the dark green eyes when you go sit on across the floor. Are you alone or you with someone? She says, a matter of fact, I'm not. And I took her hand, that's where it all began. And headed towards the parking lot. She said, hey boy, do you mind taking me home now? I ain't never seen a country boy tired on his street. I said, come on up, honey, watch the cup, and I'm sticking my dick inside. Hold on tight, 'cause it's gonna be wild and gonna be this ride. We went riding round, rocking to the sound of a country boy can't survive. And I knew then she was my kind of girl, she was singing every single line. She said, oh no, put her hand on my shoulder, and I asked her what she wanted to do. It really don't matter where we go, just as long as I'm riding with you. She said, hey boy, do you mind taking me home tonight? I ain't never seen a country boy, tires on his truck this high. I said, climb on up, honey, watch the cup, and I'm sticking my dick inside. Hold on tight, 'cause it's gonna be wilder than any of this ride. So we headed down the road, back road. Put the tailgate down and we let go. Said true country boys are hard to find. I found one wilder than any city ride. He said, hey boy, do you mind taking me home tonight? I ain't never seen a country boy with tires on his truck this high. I said, climb on up, honey, watch the cup, and I'm sticking my dick inside. Hold on tight, 'cause it's gonna be wilder than this ride. I said, hold on tight, 'cause it's gonna be wilder than